Go ahead.
So if the giving of the charity is not actually involving a poor person, but if one is actually giving it to Torah causes like Kiruv organizations
Yes.
or yeshiva or something like that,
Yes.
then would it still be considered an evil act if it's more than 20%? Or, I mean, like sometimes it's like a tricky situation where, somebody gives too much and then he himself is a little lacking or something. Then how does it determine as a righteous act?
Okay, that's very good question. So I want to start with the first part where it says to donate into Kiruv. So what Kiruv does is we try to benefit people who are poor, very poor spiritually. They may be very rich materially, but spiritually very poor, right? And we have to get to them. Of course, to get to them, you need money in order to build this yeshiva. That I send you the link and I ask you to donate. We need money. So that's how the world works, right? So that's the best donation. And plus, as you know, if you donate to Beezrat HaShem in general, so we always collect to the poor, and they give to not to any poor like bums on the street, right? Okay, somebody is going to take care of these bums. Don't worry about it, right? But we we give to people who nobody cares, right? So in society, there's like they look very down, especially in Israel. People who learn Torah all day long, they're all the tzaddikim. Understand? So that's a proper tzedakah. Not to give just to poor. This poor, okay, somebody else is going to give, but give to cause when people do not give, right? To the Torah scholars. Because all these secular people, they say, let them get a job. Why should I feed their 10 children, right? Okay, that's one part of the question. And second part of the question about how much to give, if person wants to give more. So it depends. If it's normal person, regular person, so it's 20%, no more, right? But if it's very rich, a person have $100 million, let's say, he does not need $100 million. In this case, he may give 90% away. You understand? And his life is not going to change. He's going to have his breakfast, his, I don't know, same apartment, same quality of life. You understand? But for normal person, like regular person, Torah says no more than 20%. But this 20%, it's a lot of money. So do it from, we don't have too much time, but I don't want to, almost from the net. No, not from the gross, not the net, forget it. Almost from the gross. So it's a lot of money if you do it from the gross. So whatever I made, for example, you pay in, the company gives you check, let's say just for example $1,000. So from this $1,000 you take $100, $150. That's it. Do not subtract these. No, that's from that money. Okay, that's okay.
So
go ahead.
If it's more, if the person wants to do more, and if it happens to do more than 20%, then
it's not healthy. It's not good. It's not good. That's one of the examples that Rambam. That's what we finish up on. Right? As he said, it's not healthy because our sages in their great wisdom said the person is going to collapse. Like in our mind, like 20%. It's not. No, he's going to collapse. Unless, as we said, he's extremely rich. If he's extremely rich, that's a different story. Yeah, go ahead.